For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you what's called a cross basic. A cross basic is an interesting pattern because it's the first time where the man and the woman are on the same foot. Okay? The woman's basic remains the same. The man has to, however, stagger his feet. So what the man does, I'll take Melina with me here, is we're going to just take our first two steps slow, and Melina steps to the side with her right foot. I take 2 steps. So now we're both on the left foot. So now she steps back, 1. She steps back again, 2. Now, I don't step anymore, and Melina's going to go into a cross, but it's my body momentum which takes her into a cross. And now we finish with half a box, 1, 2, 3. So we'll do this from this angle. So we're going slow, 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 slow.